Charlie is a graphic novel about dementia.
The very thought of you, and I forget to do the little ordinary things that everyone ought to do.
It tells a story about how to interact with someone who suffers from it.
I'm happy as the king, and foolish though it may seem, to me that's everything. The mere idea of you.
Davide's drawings help to better understand what happens to someone suffering from dementia, whose behaviour becomes increasingly emotional.
I'm near to you. I see your face in every flower, your eyes in stars above.
Charlie is a book for everyone.
The very thought of you, my love.
Perfetto.